Babe, come outside. I want you to come set up the outdoor furniture. It's nice out.
This freaking lady.
This whole beautiful outdoor kitchen, all the freaking appliances, all covered. Coyote outdoor. Look at this. We got the smoker. And this thing's freaking beautiful. It's 85 degrees.
I bet you don't even know what other appliances we have.
Grill. You don't even grill. I grill.
Yeah, I grill.
Stuff all covered. It's 85.
What else you got over there? What is that? What do you call that?
So this is good. You could make some. Well, you won't make anything on there. I will.
Okay.
Like the little.
I got to clean all the stainless steel.
We have to stock this up. Is this not even plugged in?
Got to turn everything on.
All right. It's outdoor patio season. Dust it off. Light her up. What are you waiting for?
Look at this for the boss lady. Honey, look how much I clean these appliances for you. You happy here? Look at these. They're beautiful now. We're ready for summer.